Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add moving announcement bar in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, how do you add a moving announcement bar here? So currently, when you actually go to your Shopify store, typically it's just going to say welcome to our store or whatever text you're actually added in here. In this case, we need to actually edit our code for us to actually do this. In this case, what we need to do first is we need to get the element name first. So right click on your website here, click on inspect, and from here select the section that is in here. In this case, use the select an element button here, but typically it's going to have the same name here usually. So you could go ahead and just search for announcement bar underscore message. Let's go ahead and copy this one. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and exit our page here or website here. Let's go to our online store, go to Teams, and click on the three-dotted icon and click on Edit Code. Now, under Edit Code, what we need to do is you need to go ahead and go to the section for the section here. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to search for the announcement dash bar liquid. Now, once in here, what we need to do is we need to actually add a bit of code. So in this case, just press on your keyboard Control F. And from here, just type in the following name, announcement dash bar underscore message. Click on X and look for it. In this case, what we're looking for is going to be a section or the first thing that will pop up here, which in this case is going to be the P class option here. What we need to do is we need to add a tag for us to make this work. So add the first tag here. So let's just add marquee, and we want to close this one. Now, as you can see, we now have another marquee. Let's go ahead and cut this one, add this to the very bottom here, and paste it. In this case, make sure that the marquee section is actually contains the P class section here. This one is really important. Make sure to do not include the end if section or the section that says if in here. In this case, make sure that the P class is only included in here. Now, once you've done that, let's go and click on save at the top right here. And from here, we want to reload our web page here. And as you can see, it should now have that scrolling or moving announcement section. Now, this might take a while because my text is actually pretty short here. As you can see, it's now moving. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.